welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here then welcome, thanks for joining us today. If you've never seen my face before then my name's Olivia and I post videos every Saturday and apparently sometimes on Thursdays, so we'll see how that goes. It's just about 10 AM and so I'm starting off my day with a cup of green tea. If you've seen my video that went up on Thursday, which was a kind of mental health day in the life kind of thing, I don't know what I'm going to title that, but you might recognise what I'm currently wearing. I'm filming both of these videos on the same day because I just thought I'd have a full-on mental health day. For anyone who doesn't know, it's currently Mental Health Awareness Month in the States and it's Mental Health Awareness Week in the UK, so we're going to be doing some mental health related videos on the channel this week. Today I'm going to be showing you what I eat in a day. I'm going to be eating vegan today and everything that I will be eating in this video is going to be foods that boost your mental health and improve mental health. So I kind of talk you through the different foods that I'm eating and the benefits that they have on your mental health. We're starting off with a cup of green tea, which is an amazing way to start the day. It boosts your energy and improves your mood, so it gets you ready for the day. Anyone who doesn't like green tea, that's okay, there's plenty of other teas that are good for your mental health as well. So you could also go for chamomile tea, which is great to relax you. Again, it's a little bit of an acquired taste, so. Just finished my workout, I've had a shower and now I'm absolutely starving, so I'm going to go and make myself some breakfast. Thought I'd just talk through the things that I'm going to be eating today and why they're good for you. Starting off the day with some porridge. Obviously we've got oats, which are whole grains, which help produce serotonin, which kind of helps calm the mind and improves your mood, and it also helps your sleep. I'm going to be making my porridge with almond milk. Almonds can lead to the increase in the production of dopamine, so almond milk probably does something similar, which obviously is great for you. I was going to put blueberries on my porridge, but it turns out we don't have any. Obviously blueberries are a great antioxidant, but it turns out that raspberries are too, and we have raspberries, so I'm going to be putting raspberries on. Antioxidants are great in reducing the symptoms of anxiety and depression, and blueberries have been found to improve your memory, your concentration and your attention span. So I've just started making my lunch. I've just chopped up the avocado and over here I've got some quinoa cooking. I'm just going to make like a little salad. Gonna put in some lettuce. Obviously my lunch is made with quinoa, which is a complex carb and protein, so that regulates your blood sugar, so it means that throughout the day you'll have a nice steady blood sugar and you're not going to have spikes in your blood sugar, which will lead to mood swings and feeling irritable. I've just put half a can of cannellini beans into here. I'm going to mix that in with the quinoa and then chuck it in the salad. Beans are full of fibre and antioxidants. They're a great vegan source of protein, so that means that you'll feel full for longer, and they can also improve your memory. And then we've also got avocado in this salad, which is great for people who suffer with depression because it's full of omega-3, which is that kind of amazing fat that we always hear about being in salmon, and it's great for your brain, but obviously salmon isn't vegan or vegetarian. So instead we're going to be eating avocado, which is delicious and a vegan alternative. Next I've just chopped up some lettuce. Leafy greens are absolutely great for you, so you should be eating those every day. I've got half a lemon here, which I'm just going to squeeze on top, and I've also got some cherry tomatoes, which I'm going to chuck on. So this is the final result. I've obviously kind of chucked it all into a bowl, got the tomatoes in. So it's time for dinner. I'm just about to go and make my dinner. I've got a Zoom call afterwards, so I probably won't show a huge amount that, I guess, and I probably won't be filming again afterwards. I will leave the link to the recipe in the description box. I'm using a recipe from BBC Good Food, which is a chickpea curry. Chickpeas are obviously complex carbs and they're protein, which reduces your blood sugar spikes again. We spoke about that earlier. It's, you know, stopping you from feeling irritable throughout the day. They contain choline, I think it's called, which improves your memory, your attention, it reduces pain and it improves your sleep, which is amazing. So you should definitely increase the amount of chickpeas that you're eating in your diet. This curry has a tomato sauce. Tomatoes are great for reducing depression and boosting your mood. And finally we've got some brown rice. Again, this is another carb. Carbs seem to always be hated on so much, but carbs actually boost your natural serotonin production, and so they're great for you. They can reduce depression, they can ease anxiety, and they help you feel more in control. So I've just finished making my dinner. I'm just going to make some brown rice as well to go with this. So I actually haven't been that hungry today. Normally I would snack more throughout the day, but I didn't. I don't really know why, but I thought I would share with you some of my favourite snacks that are great for your mind. Obviously we've already spoken about almonds. We spoke about almond milk, but almonds are great, and plenty of nuts are so good for you. Next we've got walnuts. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 acids. Again, we've already spoken about that. It's in avocados, and it's great for your brain. But if you don't really like nuts, there are plenty of fruits that are great for you. Obviously, we've already spoken about berries. Berries are antioxidants, that's great. We've got kiwis. They boost serotonin production and therefore reduce anxiety. And also plums and pineapples naturally do this as well, which is amazing. Bananas, again, are great for your mental health. If you like bananas, I don't really like bananas. Another snack that I enjoy is olives, which again are rich in omega-3, and so are a lot of seeds. There are plenty of snacks that are good for you, good for your mind, and good for your body as well. I know that it can be all too tempting just to stuff your face with sweets and chocolate, but for me, sweets and chocolate lead to like sugar crashes, and I end up feeling worse in the long run, and I also get sugar headaches. Obviously I'm not going to completely cut them out of my diet because I like them, and I think that is a good takeaway from this video. Good food, good mood, but also I like chocolate and I'm not going to cut it out of my diet. Obviously no foods are going to be a cure for mental illness. There are so many different things that you need to address and so many different aspects of your life that you can change to improve your mental health and your overall well-being. And food is just one small aspect of this, but hopefully you will have learned something from this video and you will have something to take away, and hopefully you'll be able to improve your own diet to improve your mental health. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week.